Hello, Marcus McCurry, DFW fence contractor. On a project here in Keller, Texas, we did horizontal. This front piece up here is at 48 inches tall. Got a low-key digital security cam lock right here. Be dual-sided, so both sides of that cam lock there will be where you got to put a code to get in or out. Got some cool horizontal gates here. This is a LiftMaster LA500 dual slave system. It'll have some keys on the inside here that you can lock to egress and ingress if you need to get this manual. For now, while we've been under construction, it's mostly been on manual. Our guys did set it up. So here's your control box. We put some conduit going underneath the driveway here to the other side before this actually got finished. But LiftMaster is a great product to use. Make sure this antenna is pointed up. It says here, do not straighten that antenna. I know it comes curved. Do not straighten that ever. So another cool piece of the project that we did. So we're out here today. This is just doing some final touches. We're changing up some boards for the client that they didn't like. So we're out here changing out some boards. But this is 8-foot tall board on board, Western red cedar. We pre-dipped this at our shop with a wood defender, Oxford brown stain. Turned out really nice. We usually step and level all of our installs, especially on a horizontal. I want to make sure that like this line is the same line board going all the way down the whole entire construction. So when we do horizontal, will be step and leveled. Had a couple of obstacles here. Had a neighbor on the other side that had an existing fence that we didn't want to take down. We had to leave up. Two neighbors attached here in the back. Had to build a little box out around the telephone pole because that's actually right on the property line. We did move this existing line back when these homeowners had bought this house. Had a chain link fence that had been here for who knows how long, 50 years, and it was about 1.5 feet in on the property. So we removed that chain link fence and then set the new fence to the pins, to the property pins. You want to find your pins if you can, especially in a new home purchase like here. It's a nice, beautiful home that got built here in Keller, Texas. But usually when they're building or buying their home, they're going to get surveys made, and then you'll be able to find your pins. But yeah, another beautiful job. Got our guys out here, like I said, just changing out a couple of boards for the homeowner, making sure they're happy with it. Other than that, hey, thanks for checking us out. DFW Fence Contractor. Really appreciate it.